If you want to turn off sound in AnyDesk, this quick guide will show you exactly how to do it in just a few seconds. Whether you are helping someone remotely, working on a shared session, or just want to control what audio is transmitted, this is one of the simplest settings to manage inside AnyDesk. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. First, open AnyDesk and start a remote session. You can either connect to another computer yourself or accept an incoming connection from someone else. Once the session opens, give it a moment for the toolbar and controls to appear at the top of the screen. Now, look for the speaker icon on the session toolbar. This is the sound control inside AnyDesk, and it determines whether the host computer's audio is shared with the remote device. If the speaker icon is active, sound is being transmitted. That means the remote user may hear system sounds, music, videos, app audio, and even notification sounds coming from the host computer. To turn sound on, you would simply click the speaker icon once, and the icon changes to show that audio transmission is enabled. But since the goal here is to turn sound off in AnyDesk, click the speaker icon again. When you do that, the icon switches back to its muted state, which means audio sharing is disabled. Once sound is turned off, any audio from the host computer will no longer be sent through the remote session. This is really useful if you want a quieter support session, protect privacy, or avoid distracting the other user with background audio. That's all there is to it. Open AnyDesk, start or accept a session, find the speaker icon on the toolbar, and click it to toggle sound off whenever you need. It's fast, simple, and easy to switch back on later if necessary. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another quick tech tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.